This is a short video on getting the orientation quaternions or roll pitch yaw rotations from a 6-axis IMU sensor. I am using MPU6050 IMU, which has a gyro and an accelerometer sensors, and it works with I2C. I'm not going to use any Arduino or other microcontrollers in this project. I have directly connected the IMU to Jetson Nano's I2C bus to get the data from MPU6050. Thanks to OSU Robotics for providing this MPU6050 driver package. This package contains a Python script to read the IMU data from MPU6050. This script uses SMBus module to read the data from IMU using I2C bus and publishes the data over this topic using IMU sensor message. Reading the accelerations data from IMU. It also has a formula for calculating the orientation. But this formula will only give the inclination of z-axis when rotated along x and y axes. The rotation about z-axis has no effect. Getting the gyro data and publishing it. Let's see the working of this node without any modification. See, this frame has no effect for rotations along z-axis. So I have made some modifications to this script to get the proper roll, pitch and yaw rotations. Let me show you the changes. I have commented the calculations and assignment of the quaternions part and converted the raw data from IMU to the required formats. That is, acceleration data to force by multiplying 9.8 and velocities to radians per second from degrees per second. Change the topic name to IMU data raw. And now I'll take help of this IMU complementary package to get the orientations. So this node accepts the IMU data without orientations . And add orientations to it and publishes on this topic. Install this package using this command. Okay, so we are getting the raw data from IMU node.py and complementary filter node will add the orientations data. Now for visualizing this, I have written a small URDF file and a TF broadcaster node to publish the orientation data. Let's have a look at them. This is the URDF file. It contains a world link which is connected to plane link via fixed joint. Plane link is connected to IMU link via floating joint. Plane's 3D model is attached to the IMU link. This is the TF broadcaster node. This node has a subscriber to the topic IMU data. So whenever IMU data is published, the orientation between plane link and the IMU link is updated. The translations are set to zeros as we are only interested in the roll, pitch and yaw rotations. And everything is combined to a single launch file. This launch file contains all the required nodes to visualize the orientations. Let's launch this file. So the fixed one is the plane frame on which the roll, pitch and yaw rotations are applied to the IMU frame. Hope you liked this video. Then don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos on robotics and ROS. For more stuff, visit my website www.rosroboticslearning.com. Thanks for watching.